If you're trying to decide between the Oukitel WP68 Air and the Oukitel WP61, you're in the right place. They may look similar at first glance, but once you dig a little deeper, the differences become much more important than you might expect. So, which one is actually the better buy? Let's find out. Choosing between these two really comes down to your needs. For most people, the Oukitel WP68 Air is the better all-round choice thanks to its balance of features and everyday use. But if your top priority is getting the longest possible battery life, then the Oukitel WP61 is the one